What's up everyone? Welcome to this another video session on Python series. So in this video we will be covering upon what is main and why should we use this in our application. You might be doing like while testing like might all do like write some print statements or like you might do that like display statements if you are working with some sort of like Databricks and these things you are using that. And when you are taking that file into another file and you are print using any functions written in there, like you might face an issue like the unnecessary commands are also printing, like print statement that you don't want, that also are printed there. So for fixing that we have some main here and we will cover that in this today's video. Let's create a new lecture, lecture 27, and we have to cover main here. I think this much zoom is fine for you all. By the way, let's remove this and this one as well. Okay, I deleted all the terminals. Now let's talk about what we are going to do cover. Lesson 27, let's. And I will be creating a function. How we can create a function? I forgot the syntax. So what I can do, like I can search on the internet if I forgot this or not. So I have like multiply. I added okay, what I did, I def multiply two numbers and it will take three variables. So let's give it a b c. I think integer and these things we don't have to specify. I think if it's C sharp, then we have to specify. And what we can do, like I can return like this. I think return command only, like we are doing a into b into array. By the way, into c, let's add a by mistake a into b into c dot 5. You can do like this as well, like, or you can simply write this a b c whatever you find, like. And let's what I can do, let's print mb equal to multiply two numbers and let's pass here 3 5 and 5. Let's 5 only, okay. And let's do like I will be doing here print and print mb. Okay, this is the thing. Let's print here also something like print like I was doing some testing and let's write I wrote meat here, print meat, and I print these commands as well and I use these things as well. Now let's do one thing. Let's create a one more file as well. So let's create a one more file. I think I have some meat file. Let's create a name like sayuri.py. I have in sayuri form py. Now sayuri, I am in this sayuri file. Now what I can do, import. I have to import lecture 27. I have to type lecture 27. Okay, I lecture 27 I write here. Now write I want to print this. To print, how I have to print this, import lecture 27 dot I have this mb string and I have this multiple two numbers, multiply two numbers. I have this multiply two numbers and let's pass two numbers like 4 and 9. Now let's run this. What data I will be getting here? I have this meat, I have this 75, I have this 144. So how 144 is coming? 4 4 ja 16, 16 9 ja I think 69 54. I think 75 is there. Okay. 16 9 ja 75. I think so. 69 ja 69 ja what is coming, like 16 ja 60 and 60 160 60 minus 144. Okay. And how 75 is coming? You can see like I have 525, 25 is 75. So these two lines are also coming. And why it's coming? Seriously, because I only called this function. You can see like I called this function, and inside that function, inside this whatever file name I have called, then inside this file I am using this function. But these commands are coming which I don't want to be printed here. This was for my testing. I did this and I forgot to comment out. And if you see like this is this file is also accessible to this dummy codes that I don't want. So how we can fix this? I don't want this to be accessible to other files. These are my dummy data, like which I was doing my testing. So how I can fix this? So what I have to do, I have to create a main. So I will be writing main. I have to write a syntax. If yeah, I think syntax is not coming. Let's type it. Now let's run this. This time I'm only getting 75 or 44. So what you can do, this is the syntax of name. If you have to write, if the name is equal to main, if it is name equal to main, then only do this kind of shits. So what I will be I will be removing this dummy codes and putting into the name here. I think by print command I should come here, and let's run this. Now we will say I'm getting only 144, which is here. Like, these are the dummy codes. You can shift out to main. Now what is this main? Let's talk about this main as well. So now let's print this, like print name. So run this. What I will be getting here, main. So name is main. Name will be main here. So that's why I print name. So name is coming in this file as main. If you talk about, if I run this command, now the name will come as lecture 27, because the name is lecture 27 in this case. It will not be main. Main is for the file which is has access for this main. If I am writing in this file this main, so it is only main, name is main for this file. For this file it will be lecture 27. So you should understand why lecture 27, because I am importing this. So it is whatever data like print I have name I have maintained, it is main for this file only, not for that. So in this video, like, we cover upon what is main and how what's the uses of this main. I will meet you in some other video. Till then, bye everyone.
Music